So we just had a little April snowstorm yesterday. Running through a little bit of fresh snow at Walker Ranch. Today, Walker Ranch was downright magical. Instead of dropping snow that might last weeks, the spring storm is ephemeral. The snow melting in a matter of a day. There's something special about that. The energy of spring is in that. There can be blue sky, but snow showers you from the branches of evergreen trees. The energy of the water rushing along the trail felt refreshing. It felt cleansing. It's a feeling that draws me back, and I can't wait to feel it more.
This is so fun.
The energy of the people matched the surroundings. We were excited to be out and enjoy the river, the sun, and the blue sky. When we are running, the world slows down, the phones are away, and we simply enjoy moving our bodies through the sights, sounds, smells, and feels of nature. We enjoyed the variety of terrain a trail presents, and even ran a bit of muddy road, but mostly we ran trail. And we hiked too. Chris and I kept it fairly slow, while Meg ran all of the uphill. Heading up Walker back to the parking lot. We finished off the run with the Josie Heath Trail. Josie Heath Trail! It was a beautiful outing with friends and nature. Life lived well. There he is. I love this little connector from Walker Ranch and Myers Gulch to the Walker Ranch Loop. It's called the Josie Heath Trail. Pretty cool. Nice and open terrain, some trees, a lot of open space too on a hill. Flagstaff Road.